Sometimes you may have bought Amazon Fire Stick. With help of Amazon Fire Stick, if you want to convert your normal TV to smart TV, you can do that. If you want to buy new Amazon Fire Stick, link to that device is given in description. You can click on that link and purchase. Anyways, in this video, we will be telling about how to set up your Amazon Fire TV Stick. For this first, what we need to do is, from your Amazon Fire TV Stick box, take that Amazon Fire TV Stick and charging adapter. After taking this Fire Stick, take one charging cable and connect that charger here. And this end you should connect to that adapter. After that, in your TV backside, you can see HDMI port. HDMI port is here. I am not sure whether it is clear in this camera or not. Anyways, here you can see HDMI written. You need to connect this Fire Stick here. After that, you need to connect this adapter to a power source. Now it is turned on. And one important thing you should keep in mind is that in your TV, you should enable HDMI for that. In your TV remote, you can see a button like this. You need to click on that button in your remote. When you're clicking on that, you can see some options like this. Here, you need to select HDMI. If you are selecting that, only you can see this page. Or if you are having any confusions back, you can see one button. Just click on that button and select this option and select HDMI. After that, take your remote, and first what we need to do is, you need to press this button. Here you can see a button, Home button. Click on this Home button. When you are clicking on that, you can see a page like this. Next, you should press on this Play button. Here you can see Play Stop button. Just click on this button. When you are clicking on that, you will be asked to select language. For example, I am selecting English. And here, if you want to continue this setup with your phone, you can do that. Anyways, in this video, I am telling about how to do this in your TV itself. For that, you need to select Setup with Remote. Here you can see that option, click on OK. When you're clicking on that, you can see Scanning for Network. Within few seconds, you can see every network's in range. If you are having Wi-Fi, you can use that. Or if you are not having Wi-Fi, what you can do is you can turn on your hotspot in your Android phone or iPhone. After that, if you want to rescan, click on Rescan for Wi-Fi networks. And you can see that network here, click on that. Anyways, for example, I am selecting this network. For that, click on this OK button. And after that, you need to enter password. After entering password down here, you can see Connect option. You need to select Connect. When you are clicking on that, you can see connecting to that Wi-Fi. Now you can see connection successful. After that, you can see checking for updates. Wait for a few minutes. Now update is completed, and here you can see two options. Now here they are asking you to sign in into Amazon account. If you are already having an Amazon account, click on Have an Account Sign In, or you can select New to Amazon. Create a free account, in which I am selecting Have an Account Sign In. You can sign into the same account which you are using for shopping in Amazon. Anyways, I am clicking on Have an Account Sign In when you are clicking on that. If you want to continue this using your mobile phone, you can do that. But we are telling about how to do this in your TV itself. Now we need to click on this button. Here you can see 3 lines. Click on that button. When you are clicking on that, you will be asked to enter your email ID. Enter your email ID, and after that here, you can see Next button. Click on that Next button. After that here, you need to enter password. After entering password, click on Sign In. When you are clicking on that, you can see Registering your Amazon Fire TV. Wait for a few seconds. Now here you can see a page like this. Click on Continue. If you want to change account, click on Change Account. Anyways, for example, I am clicking on Continue. When you are clicking on that, you can see an option like this. Save Wi-Fi password. Click on Yes. After that here, you can see Restore Fire TV option. Since I have used it before, this Restore option is showing. If you have not used this Amazon account in another TV, this option will not be there. Anyways, I am selecting Restore and selecting this option. Sometimes you will not be able to see these options. In that case, you don't need to do anything. You will reach this page. From here, if you want to download any apps, you can do that. Or you can click on No Thanks and download apps later. Anyways, for example, I am selecting Get Started. I want to install some apps now. Anyways, for example, I am selecting YouTube, Netflix, Sony Live, and Z5. And other apps I don't want. After that, click on this Next button, and here also some apps are there. For example, from here also I'm selecting some applications. After that, again click on this next button, and here also some apps are there. I don't want any apps from this list, so I'm not selecting any apps. After that, again click on this next button, and again in this page I don't want any apps, so I'm not selecting any applications. After that, down here you can see Continue option. Click on Continue. When you are clicking on that, you can see every apps that you have selected. Click on Finish. Now here they are asking whether you want to enable parental control or not. If you want to enable parental control, there will be some restrictions for kids in some apps, and they cannot download paid applications, etc. Anyways, now I am setting it to no parental control. When you are clicking on that, you can see a page like this. Click on Got it. When you are clicking on that, here, if you want to set new profile, you can set new profile, or you can select already available profile. I am selecting this profile. Now everything is ready. Your Amazon Fire Stick is set up. Now if you want to download more applications, what you need to do is scroll down. Here you can see one thing like this. You need to select this option. With remote you can scroll, and after going there scroll down. And down here you can see Get More and click on this center button. When you are clicking on that, you will reach App Store. From App Store, you can download whichever application you want. For example, I am selecting Hotstar. And if you want to download this application here, you can see Download option. Click on Download. When you are clicking on that, that application will be downloaded. If you want to see every application, go to this page, and here you can see My Apps option. Click on My Apps, and here you can see every applications that is installed here. App Store is also there. And here one browser is there. If you want to use browser, you can use this browser. It's Amazon Silk. It's from this list. If you want to open any applications, you can do that. For example, I am opening YouTube application. Here, if you want to sign in, you can sign in, or you can continue without signing in also. For example, I am continuing without signing in. Here, you can see video. From this, if you want, you can watch any video. So this way you can easily set up your Amazon Fire Stick and change your normal TV to Smart TV. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.